everybody, let's make some chocolate fudge with no nuts. This is going to be a plain fudge. We are going to start with 1 stick and a half a stick of butter. So 1.5 sticks of butter. And this recipe is in my first cookbook right here. It's called Fantasy Fudge. It's made with marshmallow cream. I know a lot of y'all's familiar with that. All right, as this butter is melting in the pan, we're going to go ahead and add 1 small can of evaporated milk. And then to this, we are going to add 3 cups of sugar. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to stir this up and keep stirring it until it gets to 234 degrees. It takes about 3 minutes once it starts boiling. All right, once it's good and boiling, just keep on stirring, y'all. It takes about 3 minutes of boiling to get to the 234 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and put my candy thermometer in. It's always best when you're making fudge to use a candy thermometer. I'm just going to keep stirring this. Now this one's going to be chocolate, so we're going to use chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 small jar, or the 7-ounce container, 7 ounce of marshmallow cream. All right, let's see, we're up to about 220 degrees right now, so it won't be much longer. And I'll just keep stirring and let y'all see how it goes here. I'm timing it, so it's been about 2 minutes. So it's usually about 3 minutes at a hard boil is what I've found. Right, we're at 230 right now, and got about 14 seconds left. I set the timer for 3 minutes, so the timer's about to go off, and that's 3 minutes, and it's almost at 234. All right, I think that's 234. I'm going to pull it off, scoot it over here, and I'm going to add 1 bag of chocolate chips and just let them start melting. I'm going to add marshmallow cream. I just use the same spoon. Just get right in there and get your marshmallow cream out. And you just want to stir all this up. And if it starts setting on you, just go ahead and slide it over to your eye that's already warm, that you just turned off. And you want to just start beating this up and get that everything to melt. You got to work kind of fast and just keep on beating it. You want to get it to be real creamy. Now I'm not going to put any nuts in this, but if you want to add nuts, you would do so right now. Add a couple nuts. This will give you a workout, y'all. You just got to keep going until all the white marshmallow cream is mixed in. All your little chocolate chips are melted. Like I said, just keep sliding it over here like this on that eye that's still a little bit warm where we just turned it off. All right, I think that's good and mixed up. All right, let me scoop this back and we are going to pour it. You can pour it in a 9x13 pan, or I like to pour it in these little containers, and I usually do 3 containers. And I just kind of eyeball how to mix them up here. Then I just take a butter knife. I get the rest of this off of here so it can all mix in. And then I just take this butter knife. Let me see if I can show you on camera. I just swirl it around like that just to kind of give it a design, and then I pull it up right in the middle. Same thing here, just swirl in big old swirls, and then go to the middle and I pull it up. Same thing here. And it's already starting to set up, y'all. It doesn't take long. And just pull it down like that. All right, that's all it is. And now each one of these are probably a pound, so it makes about 3 pounds of fudge. Enjoy.